In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nest components inside other components in Webflow. Let's dive right into this creative process, which can really enhance your web design skills. As you may already know, I have gone ahead and created two separate components. One is a button, and the other is a photo card. Our goal today is to nest the button inside the photo card to create a more cohesive design element. To begin, we need to focus our attention on the photo card component. First, ensure that you've selected it. Once selected, you'll want to right-click on it. This will present a menu of options. From this menu, choose Edit Component, which will take you into the component editor, a powerful tool for customizing and refining your components. Inside the component editor, you're going to have a few more options at your disposal. The next step is to press Shift+A. What this does is open the Components panel on the left side of your screen. It's here that you'll see a list of all your components, including the button component that we created earlier. Now, you'll want to locate that button component within the Components panel. It should be easy to spot if you've named it clearly. Once you've found it, the next step is to click and drag it over. Your task is to position it so that it nests perfectly inside the photo card component. You should see a visual indicator, like a bounding box, that shows where the button will be placed within the photo card. And just like that, you've successfully nested a component inside another component. It's a straightforward process once you've done it a few times, but let's take a moment to appreciate how powerful this feature is. Nesting components can simplify your design workflow, making it easier to manage and update your elements. It also ensures consistency within your project, as changes to a nested component automatically reflect wherever that component is used. As you get comfortable with nesting, you'll find that it opens up a range of possibilities for creating dynamic, responsive, and sophisticated designs in Webflow. You can experiment with this method to create all sorts of complex structures, knowing that your components are nicely organized. I hope this video has clarified how to nest components inside other components and given you some creative ideas on how to implement this feature in your own projects. Feel free to rewind and replay any sections if you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to experiment with your own components. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.